Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can repair or reset apps in Windows 11. So if your apps is crashing, not opening or acting weird, let me show you the easiest way to repair or reset any apps, no downloads needed. So if an app isn't working properly, you can repair it to fix broken files or reset it to fully restore default settings. And this works for most Microsoft and Store apps. And this is how you can do it. First, you can go to the settings and then go to apps, tap on install apps and scroll to the app causing the problems. Let's say this one, and then you can just tap on the three dots icon in here. Let's see. Okay, this one for example, and then tap on advanced options, and in here you'll see the options to repair. This one, you can see repair in here. You can click on repair, and if the repair doesn't work, you can also try to reset by clicking on this button. And after repairing, the app should reopen and work like normal. If you reset it, you may need to reconfigure your settings or sign back in. And that's it. You've now repaired or reset your Windows 11 apps like a pro. If it worked, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!